here we are, the Hotel Victoria in downtown Toronto, Ontario. Look at that nice indicator. Isn't that nice? On the lobby level. Look at that. I like that indicator, it looks really nice. Here it comes. Here it is. 8th floor. Doors. I'm talking about the elevator doors here. Do you work on these elevators?
Sorry?
Do you work on these elevators?
No, I'm not.
Okay,
I'm the maintenance guy here inside the hotel.
Oh, I was just curious because you look like a maintenance guy yourself. Anyways, have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
6th floor
Right.
going on.
Well, no, I don't think anybody's filmed this elevator yet. The Victoria Hotel, that's supposed to be something different. 12 persons, 907 kilograms. Here we are, 8th floor.
8th floor.
Lobby.
Going down.
What's it? Wonder what this is originally? That's a good question. That view? Pretty basic, but still looks nice. Here are your fixtures. Pretty nice. Sorry, that was me. Up the elevator. Yeah, this is in a really old building. I'm not too sure what year. 56 Yonge Street's actual location, Toronto, Ontario. You're on lobby.